Now, I have a colleague and a friend who I worked with many years ago, but he's a pioneer of heart disease reversal. What he did, he took a group of patients, all having severe heart disease, meaning that they're getting chest pains, they're getting strokes, all sorts of things, brought them into his home, and all he did was give them a healthy plant-based diet, no oils, no dairy, no sugar. I should say, of these 18 people, up to this event, they had between them 49 cardiac events, meaning a stroke, chest pain, angina, in the 8 years before the experiment. By just changing the diet, what he found was immediately, within weeks, the cholesterol levels came down. Within weeks, they were getting no symptoms at all. In fact, he followed them up for 11 years after. There were no cardiac events, just by changing the diet to a healthy plant-based diet. Let me show you some of the results here. This is the before and after of an angiogram. We inject people with a dye, it goes to the heart, and we can look at what the arteries look like. In the before, you can see that little kink in the artery. That's where the artery is closing down and it can't open up, and that's what's causing you the chest pain and can cause a heart attack. In the after, it looks completely normal. Let me tell you, I spent 6 months at Cambridge Hospital. It's called Papworth. It's one of the foremost hospitals for heart disease in the world. And I spent every day doing 3 bypass in the heart, 3. Now, if I came to my colleagues and I showed them the before and after and it looked like that, they would say, Chidi, well done. Great operation, wonderful. But this was not an operation. This is the before and the after of people changing their diet. Now, let me ask you the question, what would you prefer? To have somebody like me open up your chest, stop your heart, take out some arteries, replace them, put you on physiotherapy for several months with pain and suffering and medication, or would you just rather change your diet? I think most people would just rather change their diet. It is a miracle. Even today, it's still not being taught in medical schools, but it's an absolute miracle that we can reverse heart disease just by diet. Just by diet. Look that up because it's a wonderful study.